The last month has been absolutely crazy. This is the longest I've gone without posting since I started the channel a year and a half ago, so I wanted to post a quick update, let you know what's been going on the last month, and give you a glimpse into some exciting things that I have coming up on the channel. So as you can see, my place is kind of a mess, but I'm in the middle of filming some content, so there will be more recipe videos coming out very shortly, maybe even this week. But more excitingly, we are getting out of the kitchen a bit. Just got back from a road trip, which I'll touch on a little bit later. I did have some things that I would have liked to film, but I just didn't get a chance to. I just had to change the rear brake pads and tires on my car. I've been doing a lot of work on both my car and Ashley's car that I would have loved to get on film, but they were just time sensitive, so I didn't have the chance to film it. It would have just taken too long. But I will have some coming out in the future. I have to change my front brake pads and tires coming up here in the next month or two. I do want to bring some more automotive things to the channel. I think this year alone I've saved probably $1,500 in just car maintenance and upkeep, so look forward to more things like that coming to the channel. So not only was it Ashley's birthday, but also my birthday this past month, so we decided to take a little road trip down to New Mexico, and we got it all on film. Not only do we find great happy hours and things to eat, but also great stuff to do and stuff to do on the cheap. Also hotel reviews and where to stay, so look forward to another little twist coming to the channel. But the best part is they have such a good food culture down there that I came home with not only some great ingredients, but also some great ideas for some new videos that I've already started filming. Yes, there will be green chili, but it goes even beyond that, maybe even making your own spices and spice mixes. Also, I had a dessert down there that kind of blew my mind, so yes, I will be making that on the channel as well. And last but not least, I'm also getting ready to leave again in a week to go to one of the best food cities in the country, but also one of the most expensive cities in the country, Los Angeles, California. And once again, I'm gonna document the entire thing and break down how much exactly this trip's gonna cost me with hotels, food, and things to do. I hope you're as excited as I am to bring some new stuff to the channel. If you want sneak peeks into what's going on, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at DoesntPayFullPrice. I always post there first. I had a whole lot of fun doing this on the last trip, so I hope the videos turn out really well. I hope you like the new model of Doesn't Pay Full Price. I want to bring as much fun content to you as possible. I want to thank you all for the support over the last year and a half, and I'm looking forward to breaking the 1,000 subscriber mark by the end of this year, and I hope you're there with me.